In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Wizz Air claim. We'll walk through the official online form step by step so you can submit your request clearly and avoid delays. Before you begin, have your booking reference, flight number, travel date, and your contact details handy, along with any receipts or photos you might want to attach. Start by opening a web browser and going to wizzair.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top of the site and select the Help Center. This is where Wizz Air groups guidance, forms, and contact options. In the Help Center, use the search bar and type the word claim. From the results, choose the page that covers claim submission. On that page, you'll find a link to the claim form. Click that to open the form itself. On the form, begin by choosing the category for your complaint. Pick the option that best matches your situation, such as a flight disruption, baggage issue, or a refund-related matter. Next, specify what your complaint is about. This narrows it down further so it reaches the correct team. Select your preferred language, which determines the language of any follow-up communication. Then, enter your message. Be concise but complete. Include your booking reference, flight number, the date and route, what happened, the timeline of events, and any costs you incurred. Clearly state what outcome you're requesting, for example, compensation under applicable regulations or reimbursement of documented expenses. Keep the tone factual and polite to make review easier. If you have supporting evidence, upload a file. Useful attachments include boarding passes, e-tickets, receipts, and relevant correspondence or photos. Check that the file type is accepted and within size limits. If you have many pages, consider combining them into a single PDF. Avoid attaching documents that reveal sensitive information that isn't needed for your claim. When everything looks good, click. Continue to review and submit. If the site shows a confirmation message or reference number, save a copy for your records and keep any confirmation email in a safe place. Finally, a quick note from Wizz Air. They are actively processing claims. If it's been over 30 days since their last email to you, check your spam or junk folder. You can also reply to the initial email to help them identify your claim faster. That's the full process. Follow these steps, provide clear details and evidence, and you'll give your claim the best chance of being resolved efficiently.